Hey everybody, this is Rocky. I'm here with my friends from FaveDiets.com, and today we're making this curried roasted red pepper and tomato soup with a little bit of chickpeas and just a drizzling of olive oil on top. I actually had this soup about a week ago at a restaurant here in San Antonio, and I absolutely loved it, and I couldn't wait to come back home and recreate it myself. So let's get started. So to start off, what I'm going to do is use this roasted red pepper and tomato soup, carton of this, and empty it into my pan. Now I'm going to add some curry powder. And just mix that around. And I'm going to let the soup cook until it's nice and warm through. Soup is warmed through, so now we can start spooning it into our bowls. So I have a half a cup of warmed up chickpeas right here. I'm just going to go ahead and add that to my soup, right there. Now I'm going to take just a teaspoon of some extra virgin olive oil and drizzle that right over the top. This is totally optional, it's just for flavoring, but there you go. You just get a hit of that curry powder right away. Delicious. The sweetness of the roasted red pepper and tomato soup plus the creaminess. And then the texture of the chickpeas. It's just a nice, well-rounded soup. The curry, the sweetness, the texture of the chickpeas, it's just delicious. And it's super easy, especially if you just go ahead and do a little bit of a cheat and get the carton of roasted red pepper and tomato soup. Add some curry powder, some chickpeas, maybe a little bit of olive oil if you choose, and there you go. A delicious soup. So if anybody has any questions, just go ahead and post them below. The pictures, nutritional facts, and the full recipe will be in my blog spot, which I'll post below. And until next time, enjoy. Bye!